Okay, we already have commands that allow us to go places and check the inventory and take objects. Now let me walk you through the implementation of the remainder of the commands. I will not type the whole code as I have done for the previous commands, because by now I think you have a good grasp on how Borland Turbo C works. So you see that we need a command for dropping objects, and then we check if the verb is drop, and we call the command providing the noun, that's the object to be dropped, and the pointer to the location where we are, because that's where we are dropping the thing. And we have a command that's specific for certain object, the lamp. So we compare if the verb is light and the noun is lamp, and then we call the light lamp command. And we have the command to unlock the door. Again, we check for specific unlock verb and specific door noun, and we call the command function. We have a function to just help with the most used verbs, and the quit command, we already know it. So let's go down where we have the drop implementation. So drop is pretty much like take. It's the opposite of it. So instead of picking something up from a location and putting in the inventory, do it the other way around. So we find the object by its tag using the function we created previously, find object by tag. And we check that the location is inventory, and if it is, then we change the location of the object and provide an informative message. List objects, we already know how it works. So to light the lamp up, we check if the user has the lamp, which means the lamp's location is inventory. Again, we use the find object by tag function. And if we are holding the lamp, then we change our world. We change the description of the lamp object to a lit lamp as opposed to just a lamp. And we change the description of the dark room to say that's an empty room with doors, including a door south. And we allow the player to go from the dark room to the outside world, going south. And again, an informative message. For unlocking the door, we find the key object. We make sure that the user is in the right location and that they have the key, and that the door is not yet unlocked. And if all the sanity checks pass, then we change the description of the office to say that's an open office with a door to the east, an open door to the east. And then we make it possible to go east to the dark room and say that the player has unlocked the door. Help command just prints out the most common verbs that the user might try. And I've modified the game loop slightly to check whether you are already in the outside world. And if you are, we say that the player has won the game and we exit. And that's it. So let's compile it again. Success. Let's go to the out directory and take this text adventure for a spin. So we start in the empty office, and we need to take this lamp and then go south. We see a key. Let's take it. Let's check we have everything. Yes. We go north, and here we need to unlock the door and go east. Okay, we cannot see a thing, so we need to light lamp. And now we can go south and win the game. Okay, great. So we got ourselves a short text adventure written in C using Borland Turbo C in DOS.